Hello, namaste. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope the same from your side. Today, let me tell you some important money habits that will make you rich. You know, all of us want to become rich. Why? We want to collect a lot of money. Why? If we are having money, we can buy good house, good vehicles, we can give good education to our children, we can have a good standard of living. That is why we need money. Then how to earn money, or how we can become rich? First is, we should have financial goals. Means we should have some, okay, I want to earn this much and I want to buy a house, or I want to build a house, I want to buy a car, such particular type. I want to give good education to my children. So we should have some. So that is why first of all, set some financial goals. The next is paying yourself first. Many of us, what we do, we pay ourselves last. We spend everything and then whatever remains, we keep for ourselves. No, it should not happen. So we have to pay ourselves first. Whatever your emergency fund, whatever you want to save for the education of your children or for whatever it is, you have to keep that first and then do all the expenses. So second point is, we should make the habit of paying ourselves first. If you have read the book Rich Dad and Poor Dad, you can understand that. And next is, we should not spend more than our earnings. You are knowing our income is there, then our expenditure is there. Our expenditure should not be more than our earnings. You may ask me how it will go more, madam. It goes. People take loans, and when they take the loan or when they use their cards, what happens? You have to pay much more than what you have taken. That is why stop the habit of buying the things on loan. And don't be comfortable with the loan at all. Some people feel that I don't get sleep if I don't have any loan. They feel enjoyment means when they are having some loan, when they take from someone and spend, then they feel it is very nice. No, don't do this. It is not at all good. And some people, you are knowing, impulse buying. You go anywhere, see it, immediately they bought it. No, it is not good. Many times it happens because some offer is there, 50% off, this and that. Immediately we buy it. We are least bothered whether we are in need of it or not. Then what we have to do? We have to wait for 24 hours. Even after 24 hours, if you feel that you need that, then buy it. Otherwise, don't buy. Then track your expenses. Very important. If we write our expenses day to day, whatever we spend, write the date and write the expenses. Then at the end of the month, go through it. You will find out what was necessary, what was unnecessary. Then your unnecessary things, you can bring it down. So, you should have always a tracker on your income and expenses. It will take you on a right path. Then about the taxes and all. We should understand about the taxes. On which thing, how much tax, what is income tax, what is professional tax, what is Whatever it, you have to learn something. If you think no, somebody else is doing, don't depend on somebody. At least some, you can take their help. I am not telling we can't be master in all things, but at least basic knowledge we should have. And earlier we invest, it is very good. Otherwise, what happens? At the age of 60, you are getting a lot of money. What you can do? You can't go for foreign trips, or you can't enjoy even eating. If I tell you eat good food, you can't enjoy at that time. That is why we should start investing early. Early means when? The time when you have started earning, you should start investing. So by the age of 40, 42, you will be very rich. Then you can go for foreign trips, you can buy whatever you want. You are having the confidence as well. Otherwise, in the old age, if you get the money, it is of no use. It goes to your children and they don't have that much because they are earning more than you. So we should start investing as early as possible. And very important thing is, we should learn money management, about finance, about taxation. Any common man, we should have at least basic knowledge about this. Otherwise, what happens? I know many people, they wanted to be rich. That is why they went for investment. Where they invested? They invested in wrong places. They invested there was a man who was asking for what I can say, sandalwood trees and all. They will invest like that, what all he told. And the man invested a lot of money thinking that he will get good returns. But what happened? Everything he lost. It happens. That is why it is our money. Don't feel that somebody else will do. Whatever work, if we want, we have to do on ourselves. You don't be under the impression somebody else will do for our sake. No one does. So we should have the minimum knowledge of taxation, about finance, about investment, about money management, at least basic knowledge. I am not telling deep knowledge. If you are having basic knowledge, you will be able to become rich. See, it is not that only those who are earning a lot, they are rich. Even those who are earning in a moderate way, they too, if they invest well, they too can be rich. Suppose if a man earns 2 lakhs per month, another man earns 80,000 per month. But the man who earns 2 lakhs per month, he spends all the 2 lakhs, whereas the person who earns 80,000 per month, he at least invests 50,000 every month. Naturally, who will grow rich? The person who earns 80,000. So don't be under the impression my payment is small, my payment is very less, I can. Whatever your payment, it doesn't matter. If you are having a disciplined way of investment, you can grow rich. Only we should have that mindset. Mindset is very, very important. And everyone needs money. Don't be under the idea, what is the use of money? Or money, if you are having money, then only you can live a good way of life. That is important. Otherwise, no, you can't give good education to your children if you don't have money. Then what else you will be able to do? That is why we should know how to earn, how to save, and how to invest. It will help us a lot. And if we are having enough, you are knowing we will not have any tension, any stress. we can lead a good life. Have a good day.